This video is for beginner and intermediate level. If you want to improve English, listen to these question and answers, and repeat them. Subscribe for more. Let's jump to the video.
What is the most popular sport in your country?
The most popular sport in my country is cricket.
When was the last time you went to the movie theater?
Never. I prefer to watch movies at home, where I can pause, rewind and fast forward as I please.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
The nearest supermarket is right next to the farthest one.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer neither. They are bad for your health. I prefer energy drinks.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from market.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite is Justin Bieber.
Can you swim?
I can't swim very well, but I like swimming.
Who is the best singer in Hollywood?
I think the best singer in Hollywood is Taylor Swift, and also Katy Perry.
Do you like to eat popcorn while watching movie at the movie theater?
Yes, I like popcorns while watching movie at the theater.
Did you have fun at the party?
No, I didn't.
Where are you from?
I'm from Seattle.
What's your profession?
I'm lawyer by profession.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be paid for doing nothing.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sport.
Can you play cricket?
No, I play basketball.
Where were you?
I was in office.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Do you like to do work from home?
Yes, I like to do work from home.
Or you live with your family?
No, I don't live with my family.
When are you going to visit your family?
I'm going to visit my family in vacations.
Do you like English language?
Yes, I like English language.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English very well.
Where did you learn English?
I learned English from watching TV shows and movies with English.
How do you feel today?
Fine, thanks for asking. And how do you feel today?
Where do you work?
I work in court as a lawyer.
Who is your role model?
My role model is myself in the future.
Who is your competitor?
My competitor is always myself.